One of the key rules of fairness underpinning criminal law is that the prosecution has a duty of full disclosure. The prosecution, and by extension the police, are not allowed to just put forward the evidence which points towards conviction. In this case, Inspector Kanda of the Malayan police was accused of breaching his duty by withholding, in a criminal trial, evidence which may have supported the accused. His senior officers formed a board of inquiry which recommended to the police commission that he should be dismissed from the police. He was given an opportunity to address the police commission on the question of whether he should be dismissed, but he was not shown a copy of the report which was provided to the commission. He challenged the decision on a number of bases, including a constitutional question which we need not address here. He also suggested bias on the part of the decision maker, and that challenge failed. However, the Privy Council then started to make significant statements about the rules of natural justice. The judgment was delivered by Lord Denning, who started by saying, "The rule against bias is one thing, the right to be heard is another. Those two rules are the essential characteristics of what is often called natural justice. They are the twin pillars supporting it." The Privy Council then considered what was required by the right to be heard. Had Inspector Kanda's right to be heard been satisfied simply by allowing him to make submissions to the Commission? The Privy Council said no. Lord Denning said, if the right to be heard is to be a real right, which is worth anything, it must carry with it a right in the accused man to know the case which is made against him. He must know what evidence has been given and what statements have been made affecting him, and then he must be given a fair opportunity to correct or contradict them. This case forms the very heart of the modern rules of procedural fairness. The right to be heard implies a right to know the case against you, and this places on the administrative decision maker the responsibility of disclosing all relevant information. There is an irony in the fact that Inspector Kanda was being dismissed for failing to disclose information, and his dismissal was invalid due to a failure to disclose information.